This video will show you how to amend an allocation. To amend your allocation in PPS, log into ServiceNow using the ServiceNow Technician login. Enter your MQID and password and select Login. In the navigation, type Resource and scroll down to Allocated. Choose the allocation you want to amend by searching for the short description and then clicking on the plan number. This will show you all the details related to this allocation. Scroll down to the Resource Allocation tab, which shows you the FTE and hours that are currently booked against this resource. To view current allocations, scroll up and click on the Open Resource Viewer link. This will open up a view of your resources and their current allocation. In this example, we can see that the test user has been over-allocated in the first week. Close this window and go back to the main screen. Double-click in the Confirmed Allocated Hours box and amend the hours, then click on the green tick. Press Save. Open the Resource Viewer again. You can now see the test user allocation has reduced to 8 hours.